In my life, my career accomplishments, what I really gravitate towards or am most proud of are our people and watching them grow, especially when they're given an opportunity and they're given respect, and to watch the company grow. I mean, you think about it, we went from 3 guys in a garage, the same 3 stooges, 3 amigos or 3 musketeers, into almost 300 associates that we have now. And that didn't happen by the 3 guys. That happened through a lot of commitment, opportunity with one another, and just to watch that grow and just to be a part of it. I still pinch myself on a daily.
Growing up with Chris, in my view, there's no doubt about him being Mr. Hospitality. Chris has always been somebody that worries about others, took care of whether it was people in our family, friends.
You know, I've learned working with Chris that work doesn't always have to be work. It can be laughter, it can be conversation. You know, we're here inside these walls a large portion of the day, and you need to enjoy being here.
I have learned a lot working with Chris. I have learned how to be more flexible, how to offer a solution instead of just saying no.
My leadership is one that's not hands-on. I do not micromanage my team. I've been very, very blessed to recruit the right people for the right positions and to watch people and help them grow from one position to another.
Chris's biggest impact in the local community is obviously opening Kellex, or stepping into the manufacturing world by opening Kellex in 2008 when times were tough for a lot of people. A lot of factories were closing.
When we had purchased the Valdez factory, that town was pretty dark. And as our company got back on its feet, as our customers believed in us and stuck with us, and as we built product for them and throughout the country, the lights started to come back.
There would be no Kellex without Chris. Chris is the face of Kellex. Chris has taken this company from basically the top of a garage and has made it into this wonderful company.
This opportunity to celebrate Chris is really a recognition of the family. I do think it embodies the whole past, present, and what will become, I think, even a brighter future.
When I was first nominated for ICON, first I thought it was an inside joke at my office or those who nominated me for that. But the more I thought about it and the more I grasped it, I represent us. I represent everybody in hospitality. I represent somebody with no education but has a lot of commitment. So I gladly and am thrilled to accept the award on behalf of our associates. Number one, Kellex is a big family with a lot of last names. I just happen to be one of the last names in that family. And also our industry.